afternoon. How is everybody? Hope everybody is well on this cold, windy, chilly day. Nice
Except in the workshop.
Except in here. It's nice and warm in here. So anyway, guys, hope you're all well. Hope everybody is safe. Hope everybody has had a great week. Welcome back to another Sunday Nicky Cutting Lunchtime Veg. So what we're doing today, we are doing a wand. I did have a play yesterday. I had a little bit of advice from Mark and Wayne on Friday night about doing a wand. Never done a wand before yesterday, and actually I quite enjoyed it. It was quite nice doing a bit of spindle work. So I have a piece. I don't know if it's a piece of iroko or a piece of mahogany. Here, I'll let you guys be the judge. But whatever it is, it does come up really, really nice. It's quite dusty, so that will make me think it's a bit of iroko. But I'm going to put it between centres, so we'll do that. So what I'll do is, while I'm getting that between centres, we'll get Nick to welcome everybody in, and we'll say hello. So,
Cakes McKay said, what are you using to do the burn?
It's the finest of materials. It's a McDonald's stir and stick. Yeah, it's a McDonald's coffee stir and stick. And I'm getting low, so I need to. McDonald's needs to sort of. We need to.
What
Have
are you
this.
burning with? Because you hurried me out of the house.
No. Yeah, right. There's no such word in your vocabulary. Hurry. Right, so. Right, so there we go. So that's now sanded up to around about 2000 grit. So it's nice and smooth. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give it a coat of chestnut products friction polish, just to give it a nice shine. Give this a coat of friction polish, and this should give us a nice.
Ooh, Mark's but expect big things happening on my channel soon.
Yeah, he's getting a new pole.
Take care, Mark Pritchard. Chris Glanville said the handles is $34.99.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this 2 or 3 coats of this so we get a nice shine on it. Because with the friction polish, if you put several layers over the top, you can get a deeper shine.
Is there a link for Adam's premiere? Is there any chance you can have a look, Mark?
Poor old boy comes in here for a nice relaxing afternoon, watching her live.
Can you explain the grit to Cakes McKay?
Right, so 2 different types of grit. It's a sanding paste, it's not a finish. So it's an abrasive sanding paste. So let's bring it onto a different camera so you can see a bit better. So this is the original Yorkshire grit. This is, like I say, it's an abrasive sanding paste. It's not a finish. The ingredients is, I will read the ingredients. Mineral oil, lemon oil, beeswax, rotten stone, and pumice. So that's what's inside it. So with Yorkshire Grit Original, you turn your piece, you sand it to what you want, sand up to about 240 grit, then sand and seal it, then apply Yorkshire Grit, sand it up to, should take it to around about 1000 grit. So you just basically put it on your tissue, rub it into your piece, gently work it, no major pressure, just gently work it over the piece. That will abrasively cut, as you can see here. It will sand the wood, but without the dust, so all the particles of wood are kept into the grit. And as the grit works, it breaks down to give you a finer grit up to about 1000 grit. So then, if you want to go further on wood, on hardwoods, you can use the Yorkshire Grit Microfine. Now, you do this exactly the same principle as you did the Yorkshire Grit. Obviously, as soon as you don't need to sand again, it's just going straight over the original grit, and then apply it the same way. So you're spreading a little bit on your piece, then gently work it in with the machine rotating. Start from about 500 RPM, then gradually build up the speed. And this will take it to around about 2000 grit. And like the benefits of this is there's no dust when you're turning, so then you can apply your finish straight over the top. I hope that helps.
Cake said, thank you, I seem to struggle to get that quality finish.
So you can't rush it, Kate. You've got to take your time. When
Cakes.
you do, oh, Kate, sorry. When you put the Yorkshire grit on, don't apply. Let the grit do the cut, and you don't need to apply pressure. You do need the sand and seal first, because if not, the beeswax inside the grit will soak into the timber, and it won't work as well. So you do need to sand and seal it first. But like I say, you got to be letting it cut for 2 or 3 minutes to get the proper finish out of it.
Adam, I love Woodturning's got to go.
See you, Adam. Thanks for coming over.
Douglas got a question. Steve, microcrystalline wax finish? Question mark.
No, I'm going to leave it at friction polish. I'm not putting anything else over the top of
It
it.
looks nicer than the one you done yesterday, definitely. I know you only done the other one as a trial. That does look good. Just be careful.
Careful, what for?
James Cassidy said, talking of roast earlier, I've been summoned by a higher authority to get on with dinner, so I have to go. Bye all, cheers.
See you later, mate.
So you should.
Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this through there and through there, and then I'm going to finish it with...
Right, so listen. Cornish maid is Chris Glanville's other half, and she said she bought him the best present, 6 massive rolls of paper towels. Lol, I was more excited to give him that than his other presents.
So this should now come out and just snap off. So that one, that one. So get this one out of the way. So there we go, just a quick glance here. So just that nice little, just that little bit there makes it totally different than just a standard straight one, just a little bit of detail. I like it, I like it. I like the wood as well.
It's very
It's
good.
it's a nice piece of wood. So
Right, I'm off because I've got things to do. I really enjoy this.
Got
And
coffee to make in.
thank you very much, everybody. And be on chat again next week. Take care. Bye.
Sacked.